Let's talk about a unique dish that's been making waves both in Korea and abroad, Ggultteok cereal. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Ggultteok? Well, it's a sweet rice cake that's traditionally enjoyed during holidays, but recently it's become a trendy dessert, especially among young people in Korea. In fact, a reporter from Chosun had quite the adventure trying to find these colorful rice cakes in Seoul's Insadong neighborhood. After visiting several shops, she finally got her hands on the signature green, pink, and white Ggultteok and paired it with milk for the latest culinary craze. The recipe is super simple. Just slice the Ggultteok to let the honey filling ooze out, place them in a bowl, and pour some milk over. It's a delightful mix of chewy rice cakes, sweet honey, and creamy milk. And guess what? It's taken social media by storm with over 500,000 TikTok posts under hashtags like Korean dessert. Comments are pouring in with people saying things like, it's like bubble tea but even better. And it's simple, filling, and delicious. The global fascination with Korean cuisine is only growing.